In this video, I will show you how to use Wispr Flow to quickly draft professional email responses using only your voice. I'll start here on the Wispr Flow dashboard, where I can monitor my recent activity, check my words per minute stats, and manage my custom snippets. This home screen gives me a great overview of my productivity and dictation history. Now, I'm going to head over to my Gmail inbox to start a new message. Instead of using my keyboard to type out a long email, I'm going to rely on Wispr Flow's advanced voice-to-text capabilities. I'll begin by dictating a natural greeting. Hello sir, I hope you're doing well. I want to request a schedule, so I'll continue my dictation by saying, I just wanted to kindly ask if you could share your schedule for the whole week whenever you have the chance. I'll go on to explain that having this information will help me stay organized, plan ahead properly, and ensure I am fully prepared for any specific tasks or topics he'd like me to work on. As I speak, Wispr Flow is processing my voice in the background, using sophisticated AI models to ensure the transcription is accurate and the tone remains professional. This AI-driven approach effectively captures the nuances of my speech and formats it into a clean, readable draft without any manual effort. Once the dictation is complete, the text appears perfectly in the body of the email. To finish up, I'll move my cursor to the recipient field and type in the email address, samplename@gmail.com. By using this workflow, I can clear my inbox in a fraction of the time it would take to type everything out manually. Now my professional draft is ready to be sent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.